Hello, engineers. Many engineers has this doubt in their mind that because of the emerging technologies, the traditional engineering branches, whether they have any relevance nowadays, whether the importance of these traditional branches has gone down. So I just want to look into some of the points why still traditional engineering branches are very important. We will look into those points. The core engineering branches refer to the traditional and foundational disciplines in engineering. While new engineering branches have emerged in recent years, the core branches continue to hold significant importance. Here are the 10 points highlighting the significance of core engineering branches. The first one is established foundation. Core engineering branches such as mechanical, civil, electrical, and chemical have a long history and provide the foundational knowledge and principles of engineering disciplines. The second one is essential infrastructure development. So core branches play a crucial role in designing, constructing, and maintaining essential infrastructure, including buildings, transportations, network, power grids, and industrial facilities. So the core engineering branches have essential infrastructure development, a role in the essential infrastructure development. Then the third one is time-tested expertise. Core branches have evolved over decades or even centuries, accumulating a wealth of knowledge and expertise in their respective fields, making them invaluable for solving complex engineering challenges. Then industrial relevance. Core engineering branches continue to be highly relevant across industries, including manufacturing, construction, energy, transportation, and more, providing essential skills for various sectors. Then broad applications. There is a broad applications of the principles and skills gained in core branches. It can be applied across a wide range of industries and sectors, ensuring versatility and adaptability for engineers. Then interdisciplinary collaboration. Core branches often collaborate with emerging engineering disciplines to develop integrated solutions, combining their expertise with newer technologies and methodologies. Then foundational research. Core engineering branches contribute to fundamental research and development, providing the basic to technological advancement and innovation in new engineering fields. Then strong industry demand. There is a consistent demand for professionals from core engineering branches in industries globally, reflecting the ongoing importance of their knowledge and skills. And it's for sustainable development. Core engineering disciplines play a critical role in addressing sustainability challenges, such as energy efficiency, renewable resources, green infrastructure, and environmental impact reduction. Then these core engineering branches act as the basis for specialization. Many emerging engineering branches build upon the principles and knowledge of core disciplines, emphasizing to contribute relevance and importance of the core branches. As new engineering branches may offer specialized expertise in emerging areas, they often rely on the foundation provided by the core engineering branches. Core engineering branches continue to be the backbone of engineering profession, providing the essential knowledge and skills necessary for innovation, problem solving, and infrastructure development. So the importance of core engineering branches are not going to stop. They are still very important, and it will be always the foundation of all other emerging technologies. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar Kepi. I am the Engineers Growth Coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. This is my channel, and I am giving out a lot of videos related to the engineers growth. So please subscribe this channel to have more information regarding the engineers growth. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again.